fireman. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, 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 nah.
Let me talk my shit.
Niggas don't wanna play with me out here.
Let me talk my shit.
Niggas don't wanna see me this year, man. Y'all better be careful when y'all coming in the club.
I should be charging for the game I'm talking. Took a spin around the block, sauce put the rage in pockets, we assess the target. For them this rap shit is cool, they like the fame at markets. For me it's truth, I just do this for my brain to process. PTSD is in my veins, it's often in my way, it's why I bring the semi-loaded every place I walk in. Such an awkward limp until I bought a shoulder holster. Pull it faster than a roller coaster. So be careful what you want the next show you show up. If I was in the back, I promise there'd be lining in your back to sew up. Fuck it, I'm done simmering. This is why I even rap to ventilate and clear my vision in. Aforementioned all the game for free, I'm giving them. I dealt with sinning man. The wrath of God is great and God is me. You can quote it, nigga, that's a synonym. There's no respect no more. Me and Finn gave him an album to explain. Fuck these lames, I'm on my say no more. It's black or white, there's no gray no more. I look you all in the eye, the pupils tend to show the shade you store. 4-5s, lost lives, all us immigrants. More lives is needed, even living innocent. If cats get knocked, we should get 10 of them. I know you niggas sung many men. Listen, I know you niggas sung many men. Listen, many men wish death upon me. Blood in my eye when I'm pulling the piece. All I see is red when I'm pulling the piece. All you niggas dead when I'm pulling the piece. Many men. Many men. Many men.
What line of work are you in?
Waste management consultant.